Hi all, it was indeed an action-packed week for our market. Let's see how markets are positioned and what is there in the offing. This week, market started the proceedings on a sluggish note in the absence of any trigger on the domestic as well as the global front. On the following day, we witnessed a good broad-based rally to mark fresh 4 months high beyond the 11,300 mark. However, the way things looked at the end of Tuesday's session, it just turned out to be an illusion in the remaining part of the week. Although there were a couple of attempts made around 11,300, market was unable to display the strength in a similar fashion. As a result, we witnessed some profit taking in the latter part of the week to conclude around the lower end of the weekly range. Market finally snapped its 6 week winning streak due to some weakness around 11,300. However, the damage is not big and hence, as of now, should only be interpreted as a profit booking after a relentless rally. Toward the end of the week, we were seeing 11,050 as a key support, but the way markets behaved on Friday around it, this does not appear to be an important support. Hence, we would rather extend the range slightly on the downside and would observe key supports around 10,950, 10,870 for the forthcoming week. In case if profit booking extend towards this mentioned levels, it should still be considered as a corrective move and not the actual trend reversal. In our sense, the actual weakness would start only if Nifty sustains below 10,870, and hence till then one should continue with a stock specific positive bias. However, on the flip side, 11,300, 350 has also become a strong ceiling, and the fresh leg of the rally would only unfold above this. Till then, traders are advised to remain light within a slightly bigger range of 10,870 to 11,350. For the early part of the week, 11,200 to 50 should be considered as an immediate resistance zone. The banking space has been the weakest link, and the way it's placed, the directional move in the benchmark would mainly be triggered by the banking stocks only. Hence, all eyes would be on it. Apart from this, the entire pharma space has been once again on a roll after a brief pause, and there were some other sectoral movers also that kept buzzing and bucking the trend. So the pragmatic approach would be to focus on individual stocks till the time market remains in above mentioned range. Now, as far as individual stock ideas are concerned, as we just alluded, the healthcare space has been buzzing since last few months. So many stocks from this have already clocked handsome gains. At this juncture, we like Natco Pharma from this space, which seem to be giving some catch-up move to its larger peers. This stock can be bought at current level for a target of 7,808 to 850. Stop can be placed around 743. Apart from this, globally metals have started to perform well since last few weeks, and hence we like Tata Steel from this space, which is clearly on the move. This stock can be bought at current level with a stop around 358, and one can look for a target of 382 in the forthcoming week. Also from the mid-cap realty space, we like Godrej Properties, which has finally confirmed a breakout from congestion zone after a brief pause of nearly 5 weeks. This stock is certainly poised for a good move. It can be bought for a target of 965. Stop would be around 898. Thank you.